Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to create these embossed letters. Let's start with a screen size canvas. Choose the main color you want to use on your design. I am using this coral paint. Now let's add our text. Change the color to black. Tap the wrench and choose Add Text. Write whatever you want and choose the font. I am using this font called Impact. Turn it into capitals and increase the size. Once you're happy with the size, tap Done and center it by tapping the arrow at the top. If you have snapping activated, you will see these orange lines when your letters are centered. Open layers and rasterize the text to be able to color it. To create the shadows, duplicate it by sliding it to the left and tapping Duplicate. Now we have to change the color. Activate Alpha Lock and fill it in with white. Repeat the same process again, but now change the color to your background color. Now let's start with the shadows. Select your black layer. Activate Gaussian Blur and turn it up to 5%. Once you hotkey that, move it to the bottom left a little bit. You can do this by tapping the screen in the direction you want to move the shadow. Now we have to repeat the same process but with the white layer. For the next step, you have to tap the pink layer, tap Select. Go to the white layer and tap Clear, and repeat the same process with the black layer. That way you will be able to hide the pink layer and adjust the shadow's opacity. The last step is adding a texture layer on top. To do that, create a new layer. Select your favorite texture brush and cover the whole canvas with a white color. To finish, change the layer mode to overlay and reduce the opacity. All done. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to check the description box for all the information.